Good fish. Uh-oh. Oh, he's bricked me. Good morning everyone. We're here doing one of my absolute favourite things, which is jumping in the kayak, having a fly rod and a spin rod in hand, and we're going to chase some wild bass. Because it's still early in the morning, we're going to start off throwing around a surface fly, hopefully raise one off the top. If not, we'll drop back and throw around a little spinner blade plastic, and hopefully we can raise one then. So yeah, let's see how we go. There was like 1.5 meters of water here last time I was here. So the tide is very different at low. Oh. It's a bit different with it being low tide, hey? Much smaller pockets of water where the fish would be holding, that's for sure. Oh, Cody. Big boil beneath my frog, man. He came up and boiled on my frog. So, he didn't eat it, which makes me think that he's maybe a little bit hesitant. So I'm gonna try and switch to the subsurface, cast it where he was, and see whether he can be convinced to eat that. You're joking. Oh, hit it again, come on. That was a better one. Come on, fellas, just eat it. Oh! What? Missed opportunities, eh? I'm gonna go throw the subsurface at them, see whether they're still fired up, have a crack at something a little bit different. Bit of a bait and switch, I'll call it. Get them to hit the frog, catch them on the spin. Yep, good fish. Uh-oh. Oh, he's bricked me. Get out. I see him. I've got him out. Woo! What an eat. I dragged it over the top of a bloody branch in there. Burning it a bit quick. Come here. Come on. Yes. Woo! Bait and switch worked. Oh, so good. Holy crap. Whew. Wow, that got me going. He's not even that big, but geez, he went hard at the start there. Yes, yes, get in. Oh, let's give you a look at. Oh. That woke me up right in the eyeball. There you go. Nice wild creek bass. Upper reaches of the river. Threw around the frog in that little snag there, got a couple hits, so I knew there was fish in there, and I did the old bait and switch with the spin tackle. Chucked a little underspin Daiwa bait junkie risky critter in there. Smoked it. Gave me a bit of curry in the sticks too. He almost bricked me, but managed to drag him out on the light gear. Stoked. Like, that's awesome. So much fun. I love these fish so much. It's just, There we go. Gotta try and get one. Oop, that's in there. Come on. I know they're there. Oh, in there looks nice. Oh yeah. It's about to be bumping, isn't it? Get on the back there. Come on, that looks so good. You know what they call this one, Katie? The danger cast. Danger Will Robinson. And then you work it real quick because it's fleeing. Then it comes over, plops down there and just sits. Could you imagine? That would be kind of cool. So I'm just changing my fly. I was throwing around this little Weedless Frog earlier today and it got a couple hits, which is really good. But I really want to catch a bass on a fly that I've tied myself. So I'm gonna chuck on one of these little Deceivers that I tied up yesterday with some weed guards. Sort of a 3 to 4 inch style Deceiver. And we're gonna throw that around and see if we can get one. So yeah, I don't know, it'd be pretty cool to get one on a bit of feather and fluff that I've strapped to a hook myself. I don't know how this stuff does it, eh? Just like spaghetti noodle wraps itself. Stupid. Okay. Slap that down. Let them know Froggy's here. Hey? Oh, it's a platypus. I scared him out of here. I didn't know what it was. And then he's resurfaced over there again, checking us out. All right, let me go back to the frog. It's still quite early in the morning, so who knows. I've already had one boil on it, which gives me a bit of, oh, there's a water dragon running up the bank. Already had one boil on it, which gives me a little bit of confidence. So I'm gonna keep throwing that around at every little stick and branch and log that I can see, and who knows, maybe a boil might turn into an eat. I've just kind of been hitting all these big, what do you call them, lay down snags, I guess, where the trees have fallen into the water. We're just gonna continue going on. It's getting later in the day, it's 20 to 8, so the surface bite may start to slow down as the sun comes on the water. Not that it's super hot right now, but generally the accepted wisdom is early in the day is the surface time. I'm gonna keep hitting these snags and hopefully we can come across a bass or two. Nope. Oh. Yep, thought that was coming. Need to be a bit mindful of that. It's a nice looking snag, nice deep bend. Bit of shade. I've been throwing the fly around for a little bit in all the shady pockets in the snags and whatnot, and we haven't really had much luck yet. So I am going to switch back to the little underspin there, have a crack with that for a bit. The tide's changed now, so it's starting to really push in. Yeah. Hopefully with this little bit of current that's coming, the fish will fire up a bit. We'll see. Yep.
What is this?
Oh, Cody, I've gone and done it, mate. I've got you a brim. Even when bass fishing, I can't escape the brim. Come here. Brim. Yeah, right. Wait. Well, I was going to show you a brim, but he just made his great escape. Oh well, he wasn't much to write home about. It was a pretty small brim, but he came in on a lure I wouldn't normally throw for brim, the old underspin risky critter. But it's pretty cool in these brackish areas up the top of the rivers. You get a good mix of species. There's like mullet going everywhere. We've seen some tarpon, seen some brim, caught a bass. So it's cool. You never really know what you're gonna get. It's gone all dark now. So that wraps up our bass session there. Pretty happy with the one that I did get. It's unfortunate I missed a few on the fly. I would have really liked to convert those. I've got some cool hits on the frog though, so you know, still pretty happy with that. But yeah, if you're enjoying these episodes, chasing bass, chasing brim like we have been lately, drop us a comment, give us a subscribe, that sort of thing, and let us know what we should chase next. We'll catch you in the next one.